Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have my second Plan With Me video of March. In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through 3 of my weekly spreads for the month, and I'm starting just by giving a little flip through of my monthly pages to give you guys an idea of what my theme is for the month if you haven't seen that video yet, and then let's just jump into the first spread. So the first weekly spread that I'm doing is a little bit more free-flowing than I've been doing lately. And by free-flowing, I just mean it doesn't have a lot of structure, like there aren't like boxes for the days or anything. It's just that the days are just kind of spread out throughout the page. And at the top here, I decided to do most of my decoration for the spread up here. So I just have the month and dates at the top, and then a little calendar. And then I added this quote in that says, "Wherever you are, be there fully." Since I'm doing a mindfulness theme this month inspired by the Headspace app, I thought that quote was very fitting for this page. I'm also using a gray Tombow to create a shadow on all the doodles. I decided that I didn't like the way that little mini calendar turned out, so I'm just pasting over a piece of paper from the back that I cut out and fit to size, and then I'm redoing that with a calendar that I think matches better. Then I'm moving on to the days of the week, and I'm using the same kind of abstract little blob shapes as the headers for each day. And that's pretty much it for my first weekly. Before we continue, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives and curious people. There are classes on creative writing, illustration, and marketing, just to name a few, so whether you're looking to hone in on an existing skill or learn something totally new, Skillshare is the place to explore your creativity. One of the most powerful uses of art is to invoke change in the world, and this Skillshare course called Artivism: Create Inspiring Art for Change by Nicholas Smith is all about teaching you how to tap into whatever cause you are passionate about and express it through art. Whether you are a practiced artist already or you're just starting out, this course will teach you how to create meaningful art with a clear message. The first 1,000 people to click the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership, and after that it's just $10 a month. Thanks again, Skillshare, and let's get back to the video. So then, getting started on my second weekly spread of March. So this spread is going to be a bit more structured than the first one I did. So I did sketch out a box for each day, and on the middle section here is where I'm putting the month and the dates, and also most of the doodles and decoration for the spread. So that's my completed second spread for March, and I really like that one. I think it turned out really cute and fun and definitely really colorful. And then now I'm moving into my third weekly spread, which is going to be another different layout. This time I'm going to be setting up vertical boxes for each day, and I also created a little overview for each day on the left side near the top, and then I have this kind of cute scene that I'm going to doodle on the bottom right section. So here is a final overview of the 3 weekly spreads that I did for March, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of setting these up. I haven't done them all together at once like this, so it was definitely new for me as well, and let me know what you guys thought, as well as subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I'd love to have you here, and be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.